Want to secure your Steam account? The best way is with Steam Mobile Authenticator. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, download the Steam Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log in with your Steam account details. Second, tap the menu icon in the app, go to Steam Guard, and select Add Authenticator. Third, enter your phone number if you haven't already. Steam will send you an SMS verification code. Type it in to confirm. Fourth, once confirmed, the app will generate a unique code every 30 seconds. You'll now need this code along with your password whenever you log in. Fifth, write down your recovery code. Steam provides this in case you lose your phone. Store it somewhere safe and offline. Sixth, enable trade and market confirmations inside Steam Guard. This protects your account from unauthorized trades and purchases. Finally, make sure your phone has notifications enabled so you don't miss login approvals. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.